In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match to a bill payment in the QuickBooks bank feed. To get started, go to the left-hand navigation menu in QuickBooks and click on Accounting, then select Bank Transactions. This is the area where your connected bank activity appears, and it's where QuickBooks helps you review and match downloaded transactions with records that already exist in your books. Once you're there, choose the bank account that contains the bill payment you want to match. This is important because if you're looking in the wrong account, the transaction you need either won't appear at all, or it may not line up properly with what has already been recorded. Taking a second to confirm the correct bank account can save time and prevent mistakes. Next, scroll through the list of downloaded transactions, or use the available filters to help narrow things down and find the specific bill payment. If you have a lot of bank activity, filtering can make this much easier. Try looking for the payment based on the amount, date, or other details that help identify the transaction. The goal here is to locate the bank feed entry that should connect to a bill payment already entered in QuickBooks. If QuickBooks finds a matching bill payment, the process is very simple. You can immediately click Match. This tells QuickBooks that the transaction from your bank feed is the same as the bill payment already recorded in your books. Matching instead of adding is important because it helps avoid duplicate entries and keeps your records accurate. If there isn't a match available, that usually means the bill payment has not yet been recorded on the QuickBooks side. In that case, you'll need to record the transaction first in QuickBooks before you can match it from the bank feed. Once that payment exists in your records, you can come back and complete the match properly. As a general tip, always take a quick moment to compare the amount and date before confirming the match. Even if something looks close, it's best to make sure it truly belongs to that bill payment. That small review step helps keep your bookkeeping clean and reduces the chance of errors later, and that's all there is to it. Once you know where to look, matching a bill payment in the QuickBooks bank feed is a fast and straightforward part of keeping your transactions organized.